Hi everyone, to the bone, this is Darcy, and today I'm going to talk about permanently hair removal at home. So if you want to hear more about it, keep on watching. But before we get to this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Now let's get to it. The product I'll be reviewing for you guys today is from Exo Beauty and is their portable laser hair removal. I get questioned a lot about permanently hair removal on my channel, and there's some DIYs out there, but I haven't really tried it. And I actually have done permanently hair removal professionally in 2009, way back when, and it was so expensive, guys, and I still have some leftover hairs because I was so busy with work. Sometimes it was hard to actually keep up with the sessions, and when you miss the sessions, you kind of miss the hair growth, and it kind of really damages the treatment. So, and it was also super painful, like super painful. I had paid to do the bikini area, but I could not stand it. It was too painful. And even my legs, sometimes I had to ice them. I don't know if the technology, the professional technology, has changed throughout the years, but at that time it was almost unbearable. So I'm pretty excited to get a product like this at home that I can try, that is easy to use, safe, and I can just get the results I want whenever I want it. So when I was reached out by EXO Beauty and they wanted to send me this product for review, I immediately say yes because I'm pretty curious if this works myself. And this is not a sponsored video. I did not get paid to this video. I will have for sure an updated video showing my final results with you guys and with before and afters. And make sure to check back on my channel, and I will have probably a link on this video, the follow-up video with my before and afters once I complete the 12-week treatment. So today I'm going to talk about what the equipment is, how to use it, and my first thoughts. This uses clinical grade IPL technology, and it's really amazing that you can do this safely at home. IPL is a light energy that actually gets absorbed by the melanin in your hair, which then turns to heat and destroy the hair cells, and that's why it works a lot better on darker hair because it works on the melanin in the hair. And with regular use, it kind of inhibits the hair to keep growing, and that's why you have to do multiple times. It's not something you just do once. The results vary from person to person, but you can start seeing results between 3 to 4 treatments, but you actually need to do a full set of 12 treatments to go into maintenance mode. The way you use this, you do in 3 stages. On stage 1, you do twice a week for 4 weeks. On stage 2, you do once a week for 4 to 8 weeks. And on stage 3 will be between weeks 8 and 12, and then you can use as needed. I personally just started using, and my first thought is that it's truly not painful, and I have pretty sensitive skin. So when I used to do the professional treatment, it was so painful, guys. I actually had to put ice in the area. I don't feel that I need to do any of that, and I don't even feel like the area gets red. So now let me show you how to use it. So it comes with a power cable, so you make sure you plug it. And you have a power button here. Press power to turn it on. Here you have this little thunderbolt, and that's how you select the levels. You just press it, and then you can see that it will be going up the level. You just need to press it very gently, and then you can see it goes all the way to the 5. Here you have the little thunderbolt signal, and when it's solid like that, it means it is on the flash mode, which basically means you have to press this button every time you want the IPL laser to fire. If you press this button and hold, you see that the Thunderbolt logo, the Thunderbolt indicator is flashing. So now it means you are on glide mode. So that means it's going to fire continuously, so you do not need to press the main button in order to fire the IPL. And this is a great mode to use if you have large areas of your body. I'll make sure to start on level 1 and then test it out the area, observe a little bit, and then go up the levels according to your comfort zone. But it shouldn't be painful. It doesn't really leave any redness afterwards. It's actually pretty gentle. All you feel, it's really like a warmth every time it shoots. And the sound can be a little startling, but it doesn't really hurt. You just feel like a warmth in that area. These are some things you need to know before you do the treatment. Make sure you shave the area 24 hours before you do the treatment. Always make sure that you do not do the same area twice. Just do the area and then move to the next area, move to the next area. You can overlap it a little bit, but you do not want to go back and redo it. You only want to do it once and just keep on moving. You can use on your face, on the mustache area, on your chin, but do not use too close to your eye area. Make sure you don't have any lotion, no makeup, nothing in the area. Make sure the area is completely clean. IPL works best on dark hair because it actually uses the melanin in your hair. So if you have gray hair or light blonde hair, it will not work for you, but this actually is the same way for the professional treatment as well. Also, make sure you don't have any a tan or fake tan in the area. It's not recommended to use when you're breastfeeding or pregnant. It hasn't been basically because it hasn't been any studies on it. So you should be careful to not use this equipment when you're pregnant or breastfeeding. After you do the 12 weeks, you do it once a month as a maintenance mode for 3 months. And then after that, you do it as needed, but by then the hair should be pretty much gone. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment below. I'm pretty excited to be doing this treatment. I've been wanting to do this for the longest time. So I'm excited to show the before and afters once I get my treatment completed. Let me know if you have tried this type of machines or what are your results, what are your thoughts. I love hearing from you guys. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next week. Bye. Say hi, baby.
Mama.
Yeah, that's Mama.
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 Mama.